Today we are driving into the life of one of India's greatest visionary, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution and a champion of social justice. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891 in Mahou, a small town in present-day Madhya Pradesh. Born into a Dalit, formerly untouchable Mahar family, he faced extreme social discrimination and justice from a very young age. Despite the odds, Ambedkar's thirst for knowledge was unshakable. His father, an army officer, encouraged education and Ambedkar excelled in school. Though he often studied in isolation due to caste barrier, he earned a scholarship and went on to study abroad, earning a degree in economics and political science from Bombay University and later a doctor from Columbia University in the USA. He also studied at the London School of Economics and became a barrister from Gray's in London. This made him one of the most highly educated Indians of his time. After returning to India, Ambedkar made it his mission to uplift the Dalits and fight the caste system. He launched newspapers like Muknayak and organized movements like the Mahasatyagraha, where Dalits demanded the right to drink water from public tank. He fought not only for the oppressed caste but also for human's right, labor right and education for all. In 1947, after India gained independence, Dr. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution. Under his leadership, India adopted one of the most progressive and inclusive constitutions in the world, guaranteeing equality, freedom and justice for all citizens regardless of caste, gender or religion. His work laid the foundation for modern Indian democracy. In his later life, dissolution with the caste system, Hinduism, Dr. Ambedkar converted to Buddhism in 1956 along with millions of his followers. In this historical event marked a powerful stand against caste-based oppression and a call for dignity, equality and compassion. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar passed away on December 6, 1956. But his ideas and ideals continue to inspire millions. He is remembered as a reformer, economist, legal mind, and social revolutionary. Every year, April 14th is celebrated as Ambedkar Jayanti, and his memorial in Delhi, known as Chatya Bhumi, draws thousands of visitors. His visions of a just and equal society remains more relevant than ever. Dr. Ambedkar once said, "Contribution of mind should be the ultimate aim of human existence." Let us carry his message forward. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more powerful stories.